Assalamu alaikum friend. Today we create another black and white color pattern in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start with today tutorial. It is humbly request to you kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and give us your valuable feedback in comment section. Let's start. First of all we go to control and new slide is open. Go to layout, blank, zoom out. First of all insert rectangle and go to format, no outline, fill shape, go to dark. Now once again rectangle and draw long triangle, format and width is 1, no outline, fill shape, purely black, control D, control D. Now rectangle select and fill color white. Once again go to home tab and small rectangle draw here. Format shape, no outline, right click and go to format shape, pattern fill and go to color, background color, eye drops and press black, and foreground color, eye drop, press white, and draw the shape. Background color white, foreground color eye drop and black. Now control D, duplicate, insert here, control D, control D, insert here, control D, control DD. Now select all pattern shapes and control D. Once again control D. It is very simple. First of all go to control G and today our amazing black and white pattern is complete now. Let's start and see. In last we once again request to you kindly like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.